Okay, in this concept we're going to talk about spheres. So a sphere is a three-dimensional figure that has no faces and no edges. So it's quite a bit different from the other shapes that we've been discussing. Okay, it's not a polyhedron. Okay, it doesn't even have faces that are made of polygons. It just has no faces, period, and no edges. The surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times the area of any circle inside the sphere, that any central, like that goes through the center, right? I mean, because of course you can take other circles inside the sphere, right? You can take a smaller circle inside the sphere, but obviously that's not going to be a central, like that does not go through the center of the sphere. So any circle that goes through the center of the sphere, right? Like this one, for example, or this one, etc., or this one that we have, right? So any of these circles has an area of pi r squared. So the surface area of the entire sphere, though, is 4 times that. Okay, 4 pi r squared. Let's look at an example. Find the surface area of the sphere. The radius is 10 inches, as we have here. So then we have 4 pi r squared, so 4 pi times 10 inches squared, which is 12,256.6 cubic inches. Okay, so that's the surface area of the sphere. Sorry, this should be square inches. Okay, surface area is in square units, not cubic units. Okay. So for the volume of a sphere, we have our formula here. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, r is the radius, and it's just 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, very straightforward. Let's look at an example for this. Find the volume of the sphere. So 5 feet radius. And then we have our formula, so we can just plug in, right? 5 feet for the radius, so 4/3 pi r cubed. And then we evaluate, so then we get 523.6 cubic feet. Okay, and that's the volume of our sphere. Okay, and here we have our exercises. Please pause the video, work on these, and come back for the solutions. Find the surface area of a sphere if the radius of the sphere is 7 inches. So as we said, surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared, which is equal to 4 pi times 7 inches squared. So obviously 7 squared is 49, so 49 times 4, and then times pi is 616 square inches. Okay. Next, find the volume of a sphere if the diameter of the sphere is 19 centimeters. So we do have the volume of a sphere as 4/3 pi r cubed. So we have 4/3 pi, and then so if the diameter is 19, so the radius is 19 over 2 cubed. So 19 over 2 being 9.5. Okay. So that gives us, so 9.5 cubed is 857 and change. So times 4/3 is that much. So times 22, or so pi. So we get, we end up getting 3,592.8 cubic centimeters. Okay. All right, and this is it for this concept. See you in the next video.